look at all the ingredients.
Yummy.
Chicken banana. Welcome back, friends. I'm so excited because Easter is right around the corner and we're going to make Rainbow Easter Cupcakes! Now we're going to look at all the ingredients. Flour, sugar, milk, eggs, baking powder, salt, butter, vanilla. And we're going to use food coloring to make them rainbow! Yeah! We have teal, yellow,
I think we have pink, we have red, and sky blue.
The first ingredients we're going to use almond dry peas.
In a bowl, we need flour, baking powder, and salt.
Daddy, what is the next step?
Okay, the next step is we got to preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Cupcakes batter. So we have to do in a bowl mix flour, baking powder, and salt. So flour, baking powder, and salt.
Daddy, what is it like?
Now the next step is add eggs in another bowl. So we need another bowl. We need to beat butter and sugar.
Now we're going to add the butter and the sugar. Butter, come on!
Here.
I got it. Yeah! It's so yummy! It's so yummy I can't eat it.
Alright, we just finished the butter and sugar and until fluffy, so that was really good. And then now step number 3, add eggs one at a time. Mix in vanilla and milk after. So number 3, add eggs one at a time.
Good. Good job, Dindin.
Wow, Ding, that's pretty good. Alright, we just completed we just put eggs one at a time. Mix in vanilla, milk. Slowly add dry ingredients, but first mix in vanilla and milk.
Now we're gonna add the milk. Yeah.
And there's vanilla. So milk and vanilla. Good.
Let me try one more time.
Yummy.
Chicken banana. Chicken banana. Hooray! Daddy, what is the next step?
Step number 5. Slowly add dry ingredients and mix until smooth. So let's go over step 1. We did in a bowl mix flour, baking powder, and salt. Step number 2, another bowl, butter and sugar until fluffy. Then we added it there, right? Right. Step number 3, we did 1 egg at a time. How many eggs did we do? 2 eggs. Alright, and then step number 4, mix in vanilla and milk. And now step number 5, slowly add dry ingredients.
Now we're gonna add the dry ingredients slowly.
Step number 3, or the last step to making these. What are we making again?
Cupcake!
Cupcakes, alright. Make rainbow colors. Divide batter into 5 small bowls.
We're gonna separate the batter and put our food coloring in.
How many drops?
3.
3 drops. Go. 3 drops. Slow. 1, 2, 3.
I cannot do that.
What color do you want to do?
Whoa!
Orange? Okay, let me help you. Then you can mix.
Look at this!
You ready to mix it?
Let's go. Yeah!
Here. Hold on, don't let it go. Did we do that one already, Sky Blue?
I want it to blue. I want it to blue. Whoa!
Whoa.
The last color that I'm gonna do is pink. We are going to line them up to fill them up.
1 in each, so we can make our cupcakes. 1 in each. Look. So now we're gonna spray them so they don't stick, right? Are we gonna spray them? You wanna spray? You wanna help me?
Jesus! Let's spray. Let's spray that. Let's spray.
Yeah, let me do it first and then you can do it.
Now we're gonna make the magic. First I want to do a teal cupcake. Teal cupcake. Wow! That's a big block.
Okay, you got to. What does it say here? Number 5. Bake
for 18 or 20 minutes.
18 to 20 minutes. Let's do it. Cupcakes are ready when tops spring back and toothpick comes out clean. Alright.
We'll be back in 18 minutes to 20 minutes
To decorate.
to decorate.
Alright, let's try these pebbles. Whoa!
What? Now we're gonna let them cool down, and then we're gonna decorate. Bye-bye. Oh, you're gonna change it. Our cupcakes have cooled down. Now we're gonna decorate them with all of this.
What do you have?
Whoa! Chocolate egg and Hershey egg. And we also have bunny paws, marshmallow, and carrots.
What is it, Dina?
Carrot marshmallows, and
Carrots.
peach sprinkles, and a bird sprinkle, yellow icing, and pink icing. Wow! Just wow! Now let me put this. Let me put my bunny ears. Actually, no. Wait, yeah. I'll take my bunny ear. Place it. Awesome! I put in my bunny stick now. There. Now let's do a little paw. Let me do a carrot. Not one and then not one. Not one, not these. Only have one? Okay, let me open it for you. Whoa! Yeah. Ready? That's nice. Let me put some sprinkles.
Upside down, no.
On top of my carrots.
Wow.
Here. They're for you, Mommy. They're for you. Yeah. Diana.
Thank you. Beautiful.
What about this one?
It's a cupcake, Mom. I made you a cupcake.
Beautiful cupcake. Thank you.
You're welcome, Mom.
This is
Yes.
the cupcake challenge. Which one do you guys like more?
Try it.
The carrot
Try it.
nest or the egg nest?
Woohoo!
This is Daddy's.
Is this one Zinzin's? Oh, here's our minis. We choose yours. No!
Where's yours? Which one you're gonna
I
eat?
take these out.
Which one's Dini gonna eat? You gonna eat the pink one? The other's gonna eat this one.
Then
You
mine.
want the pink one?
Then this one.
Here. What about this one? The pink one. Look.
Wow! Just wow!
I think this one's for Dindi.
No.
I honestly think
Good?
so. Yeah. What about for Mom?
Papa.
Cheers, Dini. Cheers. Cheers. You want me to help you open it a little bit?
No, you got it.
Ready, steady?
Yummy.
I'm really good. That's very good.
You made this one for mommy?
Yes! I make it for you because I love you. Thank you for watching my channel. Don't forget to subscribe and like and share. Bye!
Your best cupcake.
Easter!
Happy Easter!